Hello, yummy mamas out there. Can I ask you a question? Now, what are your plans for the new year? This is the time of the year that a lot of people have what we call the new year resolution. They want to be better than they were the previous year, and they have a lot of plans written down for themselves, especially to increase their finances, in that aspect. And coupled with the pandemic, when I was pregnant with my child, I couldn't really go to work because of the pandemic. Going to work means being at high risk due to my pregnancy. A lot of women were really affected by the pandemic. While the man can still say, okay, I want to go out there to really also for the family, the woman has to stay at home with the children. So during those times, I paused and I took a look at my life, and I'm like, what can I do? How can I increase my family finances? Well, I can't just be useless to myself this way, And if you are that kind of person that migrated all the way from different part of Africa, just like I did, to Canada, to Australia, Philippines, and every other place called the white man's land, you will know that there are a lot of bills to pay here, and hence you can't afford not to be working. And so yes, while I was searching for answers, I stumbled upon an advert just like this one you're watching today, and it spoke about leveraging the internet space to earn some extra for myself. And I paused and I said, yes, I use Facebook, I use Instagram, I use all these things, LinkedIn. So is it bad if I do not just go there for fun anymore, and now I'm able to earn via the digital space? All right. So through the series of training that I got, the mentorship, the coachings, I've been able to set up my own digital business. And apart from being a nurse today, I am now a successful digital business entrepreneur, and I am looking for like-minded of people who are willing to join me on this journey. It's really beautiful to have an alternative sort of income. Having a plan A, plan B, plan C is not bad to have. Yes. So if you're looking and you feel this is my interest too, feel free to click on the learn more button or send me a message.